Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Pratishta Mudgal and this video is gonna be about Ajio haul part 2. So if you haven't watched part 1 yet, go back to my channel and watch it after this video. I have covered some amazing pieces there. This haul has some very good pieces that I'm gonna show you, so watch it till the end, do not miss it. And also I'm gonna be linking all the items in the description box below, so if you want you can check them out. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. The button is right there, press it. It means so much to me if you do it. It keeps me motivated throughout. And yeah, let's jump into the video. So first item that I bought is this black cotton shirt. Its sleeves are 3/4 and it's 100% cotton. Now I have already washed this a couple times and the color did not fade away or no color came out while washing it. I have styled it with a dress. I have tied a knot in the front and see how it is bringing the whole outfit together. You can wear it as formal wear, casual wear, or actually this can literally be worn on any occasion, be it day outing, dinner dates, or going out with friends, maybe a cocktail party, anything. It's perfect for college, for office, or pretty much for every place. It can be styled with jeans, skirt, or you can keep it just open with a solid color t-shirt maybe. And there are actually many ways to style this shirt as it is solid, and actually I'm planning to do a video on that as well. So if you have anything specific, let me know in the comments. It will also be a good add-on to your shirt collection, and I bought it for just 269 rupees. Super cheap, so affordable, and very good quality, so quite a deal. Size that I bought is M, so it's not too body hugging, not too oversized, so it's just perfect for me. I'll also attach a picture somewhere on the screen so you can just see it. One more thing I like about this shirt is that it's not too plain. It has got some texture on it which I'm quite liking actually. So yeah, that's all about the shirt. Now moving on to the next item. I want to mention one thing here is that Ajio has a lot of sale going on, so prices keep fluctuating there. So I'm gonna mention the price on which I have bought. So for the updated prices, you can go to the links and check that. Next is this V-neck top, and this is for 300 rupees in the size S. Now I don't like it much because of its fit. ये बहुत ही लूजी सा है तो उतना अच्छा फिट नहीं दे रहा है. It's just I couldn't return it because बहुत क्यूट सा पीस था, तो I was like okay, at least घर में तो पहन ही. तो इसके बारे में बस इतना ही. I don't want to drag it much because I didn't like it, and no from my side. Now moving on to the next item in my list is this blue color striped t-shirt. Now this one I bought in the size L because I wanted it somewhat loose क्योंकि मुझे घर में पहनना था. Now its material is too good actually. इसकी quality भी बहुत अच्छी है and ये बहुत ही comfortable है, so I liked it. घर में पहनने के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है. T-shirt is something which can literally be worn with anything, be it a skirt, denim, trouser. Just add some element to the outfit and it would go with everything. I bought this one for just 293 rupees, तो इसको खरीदना तो बनता था. It's super cheap, and if you're someone who is looking for t-shirts, some nice affordable t-shirts, so you can surely give this one a try. It's perfect for college, for office wear, and you can also style it with a blazer as well. Yeah, that's all about it. Next item in my list is these shoes from Skechers. Now when we talk about shoes, the brand Skechers already pops in our head because their shoes are damn good quality. They are so amazing. I pretty much wear these shoes every other day. I'm so in love with these as their quality is awesome, their material is awesome. They are so comfortable that I can wear them all day long. You know, there are some shoes जिनको पहनने से आपको shoe bite हो जाता है when you wear them for a longer period. इनमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है, बहुत ज़्यादा. So no rashes, no itching, nothing at all. So comfy. And these can literally be worn on everything and anything. Now I bought these shoes for 2265 rupees, which is a little expensive, I know, but I really wanted it, and the MRP is 4999. Also, I want to say one thing here is that if you're looking for some nice shoes, you should really invest in good ones, as first the quality will be amazing. Second, comfort. You should always look for comfort in shoes. Third, you don't have to repurchase again and again, so because they'll last you long. Okay, so one more thing here is that let's say किसी दिन आपको कुछ experiment करना है, कुछ pop look चाहिए, तो just change the color of its lace. Let's say red color डाल दो and match it with your outfit. So ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है कभी कभी, and it will give you a different look altogether. I bought it in the size 8 and it fits me perfectly. So that's about it for the shoes. And next item in my list is this white t-shirt. अभी ये थोड़ा funny है because I bought it from men's section because I wanted something oversized, you know, and white t-shirt is something which you must have in your closet. Now I bought this t-shirt for two purposes actually. So first one was कि मैं इसको knot बना के पहन सकती हूँ जब मन करे, and second one was कि मैं इसको घर पे पहनूँ बहुत सारा because it's too cozy, you know, and when you're at home you want something cozy and you want that subtle vibe, it gives you that. तो मेरे तो दोनों fulfill बहुत अच्छे से हुए purposes इससे. I'm already wearing this one in my everyday routine literally. So some of you might be following me on Instagram, you know, you might have seen me there, and for those who are not following me, please follow me on Insta as well. Guess the price, literally guess it. It's 269 rupees. Super cheap, right? 100% cotton है, इसकी material बहुत अच्छा है, quality बहुत अच्छी है. What else do you want? So I totally recommend this one to you guys, and yeah, that's about it. The next item मेरा बहुत 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 favorite है, probably इस haul का सबसे favorite item, which are these boots. Brown color boots from Bruno Banati. ये एक्चुअली जो सेम है, ये पहले से मेरी मिंत्रा विश लिस्ट में थे एंड बहुत टाइम से दे वर नॉट गेटिंग अवेलेबल. तो जैसे ही I saw it on Ajio, I just grabbed them. I was like, wow. If you're looking to invest in boots, you can literally invest on these ones. ये बहुत comfortable. You know, boots के साथ एक बहुत बड़ी problem ये आती है कि they are not comfortable. They bite you a lot, but इन boots के साथ ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. They are so comfortable. इनकी heel height बहुत ही perfect है. They are just 1 inch, so you can wear them on every occasion mostly. मतलब बहुत 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 ही comfortable है यार. बस ले लो अगर boots चाहिए हैं तो. Now comfort is what we all look for, right? And one should always look for comfort because footwears make comfort is what matters the most. Why to spend so much money on something which we won't even wear, right? So look for comfort. Now these ones literally can be worn all day. Just एक चीज़ का याद रखना, you have to wear socks underneath it because when you don't wear it बहुत sweaty सा feeling होगा and फिर eventually उसमें से smell आएगा, which won't be good, right? Hygiene के लिए ये अच्छा नहीं है, so you have to just keep that in mind. So these one of brown color, तो brown color को तो आप किसी के भी साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हो, be it denim, trousers, dresses, anything. So I bought these ones for just 1534 rupees, which is quite a deal because boots, you know, when you're looking for boots, comfort also and the brand also, so this is actually quite a deal. You should literally go for it if you find these. And that's about it for the boots. So the next one in my list is this cape sleeve blouse, and it was just for 200 rupees, so I bought it, but its quality is damn cheap. Like, no, a big no for this one. Also, it is not good on body. I mean, it does not look good at all, so a big no for this one, and I have already returned this one. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, and bye bye till the next video.